Hi, welcome back to Lec4.6 channel. Back to the tutorial for computer networks. Today we're going to see the topic called TCP Congestion Control in complete networks. That means there will be a question asked in the gate. So whenever and what are the question asked in the gate regarding gate or UGC regarding congestion control, you can solve it easily. Let's go for the problem today and how to solve. Let the size of the congestion window of a TCP connection be 32 kb when a timeout occurs. There were two cases here, and the round trip time of the connection is 100 milliseconds, and the maximum segment size used is 2 kb. The time taken by the TCP connection to get back to 32 kb congestion window is what? There will be 4 answers given like 1100 to 1300, 800 to 1000, and so on, 1400 to 1600, and 1500 to 1700. So there will be two cases. One is timeout occur. Case number 2 is with 3k algorithm. Let's cover solution here. So before going to the solution, now what is the current size of the congestion window in terms of number of segments? Here the current size of the congestion window by formula 32 by 2, that is 16 msec. 16 msec. Let's go for a diagram. Then we'll get more clarity. So here what has mentioned the problem here. What based on this diagram here. Here threshold value the maximum window size will be the window responsive size is the, this is here. Here what the mention here, it will be a slow start, then it become linear, that is to avoid congestion avoidance, and after some time it become constant. That's the statement here. So here what are the given here, size of the congestion window. First case what happened, the round trip of the connection is 100 milliseconds and the maximum segment size is 2 kb. This underline point here. Then the time taken by the TCP connection to get back to 30 kb congestion spot. So two cases given. Case 1, we take as, let's assume that 32, then it start from after increasing, after that it's slow start. That means by default initially it become 2 kb. So 2 kb, that start like this: 2, 4, 8, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 20, 30, so 28, 30, 32. So how many is it totally? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 12 multiplies 100. So totally 1200 milliseconds it take. This is the case 1 timeout. Next is case 2. That is 3. It happened because of 3 acknowledgement scheme. So that means what? After some stage, it will send the data. Here assumption what? It gradually. Here not like that. Second case what happened? First it become 32. Then 32 by 2. What happened here? 32 by 16. By 16 after some 16 milliseconds will start. Then it gradually increase by 2. 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32. So totally 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9 multiplies 900 milliseconds. So now the correct answer is case 1 1200 milliseconds and case 2 900 milliseconds. So we can solve here based on that. So what they given here, they initially start with 2, slow start, then there will be threshold value after avoid the congestions, then after some time it become the constant answer. Follow the constant method here. So at last we pick the answer of 1, that is option A, that is 1100 to 1300 respectively. So like that you can solve the problem when you ask regarding the TCP congestion control or TCP congestion window. If any queries or suggestions, please kindly communicate with the following social media, and thank you for watching.